Welcome back. And now we are going to see immutability of the wrapper classes. Like your string, if you have remembered in my last week, I have given meaning of immutability means you cannot change value of your string. Once we declare a string, you will not be able to change value of a string. In the same way here, it will behave, your wrapper class also behave. If you are going to create any wrapper object that will be immutable, you will not be able to change. Means what? You will not get any setter method inside the wrapper class. So here, purpose of immutability, already you are aware how immutability works in a string. Means you will not be like whatever value you are writing inside the string pool, that string value it will generate. And that string will be immutable, so you cannot change value. So for your new string, it will generate a new space inside the string pool. Here we are going to discuss a few important points related with string builder and string buffer. But before that, I want to discuss what is the issue available for a string. We already know our string is immutable. Immutable means we cannot change the value of a string. Once you will create one string, that value it will generate inside the string pool. If you will change the value, then immediately it will create another space. It will take another space inside the pool. In this way, if frequently you will create a lot of string, you will manipulate string, then there will be a lot of immutable string it will generate inside the pool. That will increase burden on the memory, and that will affect our performance, program performance also. So it is if we are using a string and it is creating a immutable string and the burden are increasing. So what, there are some solution also. So they were saying, why not in place of a string you are using a string buffer or a string builder class? Then what will be difference? First, if you are using a string class, every character internally will take 2 byte space. However, if you will use a string builder or a string buffer, every character will take only 1 byte space. Point number 2. Here, a string generates immutable object. However, in case of a string builder and a string buffer, it will generate only one memory, and every time new string value will override to same memory. So you can say, yes, you can go with a string builder and a string buffer, but in real, why people are using a string? One question you can ask, because string is the character mode. There are the two mode internally to use any string. One is the byte mode, second is the character mode. So most of the work in real we are doing with character mode. So we are using string a lot. But in real programming, you should avoid to use string if it is possible, and should use a string builder or string buffer. This string builder is actually the new feature available from JDK 1.5 onwards. It is having a lot of methods inside the string builder. String builder objects are mutable. It is not immutable, it is mutable. It is having a constructor. There are n number of default constructor like a string builder with one argument. Like that, it is having a lot of common methods inside the string and string builder class both, like a caret method, length, substring, index of, last index of. So these are the common methods available inside the string builder. There are few new methods also available in string builder, like append with parameter, append method with object. So you can append object, you can append string buffer, you can append string. You have a trim to size, you can trim, replace. So these methods you can use inside your string builder. There even you have some method for insertion and deletion, like insert method, you have a delete method, delete char at method, reverse method. So these all are the predefined methods, and don't worry, these all methods how to use practically. When you will go with my example what I have given, so there these all methods you will get in detail. There are one more class, string buffer. Initially string buffer class came to picture. After that string builder came. If here string buffer and string builder both are almost same, almost all the method what are available in string buffer, the same method is available in string builder also. Then question will come to your mind, then why when string buffer class was already there, then why JDK 1.5 introduced string builder class? Because try to understand, if this is the basic question can come to your mind, if already there was a string buffer class, then why it introduced string builder? Because of thread safety. Inside string buffer class, all the methods what you have, all methods are thread safe method. Thread safe method means what? With all the methods you will get one keyword called synchronized. Because of synchronized method, what will happen to implement synchronization inside for the methods, and that is a multi-threading concept. It is taking a lot of time. So string buffer class, if you will use in your application will be little slow. So here JDK 1.5 introduced string builder class. Same methods what are available in string buffer, it's available inside string builder also. But it is not using synchronized keyword. Means thread safety is not there inside string builder, but string builder is faster than the string buffer. Because of the thread safety, since thread safety was available in string buffer, because of the thread safety, it is first assuring at a time only one thread should be able to access that particular buffer, that particular method. If more than one threads will come together, then it will not allow to all, it will allow one by one. Because of that, this string buffer class was slow. But string builder is not having any method with synchronized keyword. It is not thread safe. So here it is little faster than the string buffer. So in our real industry, people are preferring to use string builder in place of string buffer. So hope you are able to understand difference between this string builder and string buffer. One more important point here, equals method is not overridden in string builder or string buffer class. You cannot override equals method inside string builder or string buffer class. That is not possible. In the same way here, now here up to this stage means this equals method what I discussed. So up to this stage you all are comfortable. Thank you very much.